If the Wi-Fi lamp on the printer is flashing, press and hold the Stop button. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on the printer until the power lamp flashes. Press the color button, then the Wi-Fi button. Make sure that the Wi-Fi lamp flashes quickly and the power lamp is as shown in the illustration above. Ensure your smartphone and printer are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Download the Canon Print app. Open App Store on your smartphone, go to the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Canon Print, type Canon Print Inkjet SELPHY in the search bar. Install the app. Download and install the app on your smartphone. Open Canon Print app. Launch the app once it has been installed. Add Printer, tap on the plus icon or select Add Printer. Follow the on-screen instructions. The app should automatically search for printers on the same Wi-Fi network. Select your Canon Pixma MG3640 from the list. Follow prompts. Follow any additional prompts to complete the connection. You may need to confirm that you want to connect to this printer. Once everything is set up, try printing a test page from the Canon Print app. Select a document or photo and choose the print option.